Now take a look at my Phantom wallet. I made all this money from deving meme coins. This Phantom wallet was not built from trading, it was all built from launching. If you want to understand how this works step by step, bro, stay right here and watch till the end. Now there's a reason why I stopped trading and I started deving. Well, first of all, bro, trading meme coins is a losing game, okay? Every single time you buy inside the meme coin, right, you are always someone else's exit liquidity, just like this coin, bro. It's so fucking annoying. Every time you buy in, you just get dumped on by the dev, okay? And that's why I am annoyed of trading, and that's why I switch to deving, okay? Now deving flips the odds in your favor. You control the supply, the launch timing, and the entire story. And by the way, bro, creating coins costs literally $0, so there is no downside. Everything is in your favor. And bro, I have no clue why deving meme coins is so untapped, okay? Most people are trading and only 1% of the entire supply are actually deving. Now right here on my Canva, I have a clear example of deving vs trading. Now first of all, bro, if you trade meme coins, you risk losing all your money at any given point to the dev. He can dump the coin at any time he wants, and every single trader are just losing their money. You do not know the true intentions of the dev. That comes into like, you have no clue if he's gonna dump or not, right? And there's way more risk trading meme coins than deving. And also, bro, obviously you need way more money. If you want to trade meme coins, bro, you need a lot of money, at least a couple $1,000s to become profitable. And yeah, here I posted a little trade. I made 20 SOL. Now for deving meme coins, bro, there is no initial risk, okay? If your coin only gets a couple buyers, you can just restart and you get all your money back. You control the chart. You decide if you want to dump the coin or not, okay? Since you are the dev and you are the creator of the coin, you control everything, okay? You do not need a big crypto portfolio. A couple bucks, a couple SOL is all you need. Obviously, bro, more launches equals more chance of making money. If you launch 300 coins and if 1% of those coins go viral, well, that's a couple $1,000s, maybe even 6 figures. And the gains are way more consistent, that is obvious. Now on December 6th, I made $68,000 on the one launch after 500 coins launched, bro. This is my ex. You guys can go check online, bro. It is actually fucking real. I made 68 grand. I was so fucking happy when I made that, bro. And yeah, that is why you have to be deving coins. In today's video, I will be doing a live example. And by the way, bro, this entire video is made with AI. It's all for educational purposes only, so please do not copy me. Cap! Now, as you guys can see here, bro, I made money from the Pump.fun creator fees, but I do not launch my coins on Pump.fun. Let me tell you why, okay? Pump.fun is noisy and oversaturated, so if you launch your meme coins directly to Raydium, you have no shot for your coin to migrate on the Raydium DEX, bro. It would take too much luck and it's almost impossible because it's oversaturated. That's why I launched my coins on Create Coins.io, because all your coins that are launched on Create Coins.io will migrate instantly to Raydium and it will be viewed by tens and thousands of traders, all because it's immediately migrated. That is why you have to be launching coins on this launchpad, because you skip all that fucking bullshit and you go directly to buyers. Now, you have two different ways to make a meme coin. The first way is to create a coin from scratch. So go on X, right, and look for a narrative for that meme coin. It could be anything, right? Right now the Epstein files are trending, so making a coin around something like that could be good. You know, now I launched multiple hundreds of coins, so I went through a bunch of different narratives, right? So just find one, come back here, create a coin, create the name, add a symbol, add a quick image, and just like that, your meme coin is custom made. But the second method is actually how I've made all my money, and that's by copying trending coins. Why? Because this is my go-to strategy. These coins right here already have momentum and attention, so copying them will give you instant momentum on your own coin and higher profits, okay? You're basically copying coins that are already working and you're using that narrative to make more money for yourself. Now, some people in the community call this vamping. You're just copying coins, right? But yeah. Alright, let's move into action and make some money by copying a coin. So, we will see how much we make in profits by the end of this launch. Now, connect your Phantom Wallet first of all, then click on refresh list. And now, let's look for a coin to copy. I'm going to copy the coin, right? It has a last buy 1 second ago, so click on create coin. Ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm or understand, then click on confirm, and then the coin should be created in a couple seconds. Just give it some time, and boom. Now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this page is really fucking easy. We're just creating and setting up our liquidity here. This is what officially opens trading on Raydium so the market on your coin can function. Now for the amount token A, click on 90%. That would drop 900 million tokens right under for the amount token B. This is essentially your opening buy into the project. You are not losing any Solana here. It is temporarily locked to activate the pool. The minimum right here is 0.3 SOL, and once the liquidity is removed, that SOL is returned to you right after. So it's the first buy, but you will get it back later. I'm going to put 0.35 SOL, right? Just a bit more to be safe. Click on create pool. And then click on confirm. When that is done, bro, click on the refresh button, then scroll down and boom, the coin is on live and your profits will show up right here. Now, if you click on the refresh button to check your profits, now we're up $100, right? Because people are now buying our coin on chain, and this is why deving is so good, because bro, we got instant results. Anyways, click on view on Photon or Axum. Let me go on full screen. The coin has to load, and as you guys can see, bro, we are at a 1.8k market cap, 1.2k liquidity. Things are looking actually fucking insane. Now, as you guys can see, bro, oh my god, bro, someone just bought for what? We're printing. Oh my god, $50, $10, 80. Yo, this is why I emphasize deving meme coins, okay? You guys have to start deving. It's actually fucking insane, okay? We created this coin for $0 and now we're getting some fucking traction, bro. Yo, and you know, bro, guess what, bro? More and more people are going to start seeing the coin and buying in. This is why deving is so good, bro. Now, all you have to do is just wait and then dump it when you are ready. Alright guys, I am back and we are pushing 4k in market cap and the liquidity looks good. We're in uptrend, right? But now, let's make some money. Come back to create coins.io and obviously, bro, click on the refresh button. And as you guys can see, we're up $1.63,000 with a 1.6k liquidity. Now, click on the minus button, do 100%, remove the money out of the fucking coin, then just wait. And as you guys can see, bro, we are going to receive around 13 Solana, then proceed to clicking on confirm. And bang, that's exactly how you dev meme coins and make some quick generational fucking wealth. Now, if I open my Phantom wallet, you guys can see that I just received the entire amount in my wallet right here. It's all legit. Go try it for yourself. Create coins.io. Join my free Discord and Telegram down below, bro. You can contact me there. Bye.